Hello. So it's afternoon here, but good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. Today's topic will be about gratitude and benefits of gratitude. It's very sunny here, so I'm just wearing my glasses. So, gratitude is, as we know, when we express thankfulness to God or to universe or to anybody who has done something good for us, or for simply being where we are and for simply having what we have. Sometimes we take a lot of things for granted. We feel that we are entitled to have a lot of things by default. But when those things are taken away from us is when we realize the importance of those things. So hence it is very, very important that we show gratitude. As we know, gratitude helps you attract and manifest more and more abundance in your life. Because when you're thankful, you feel happy. When you feel happy, you are in a positive mindset, you're in a positive frame of mind, and you automatically attract good things in your life, automatically manifest good things in your life, right? So gratitude has loads and loads of benefits, but here we will just talk about few simple points in this video. It's going to be a short video, and we can incorporate some of these points in our life if we want to better our lives and attract and manifest good things in our life, right? So starting with increased happiness in life and satisfaction. So as I said, when you are thankful, when you show gratitude, when you show love, when you show that care towards the divine force, towards the source, and when you show that affection to the energy, the love, the positivity, the vibes, the good vibes that you receive from the universe, we take it for granted. So express some love, express some joy, express some thankfulness to the universe. Be thankful, be happy that you have food on the plate, that you have a roof over your head, that you have money in your wallet, that you have money in your bank account, that you have your family, that you have good health, because these are things which are very, very important in your life. If any of these things are lacking in your life, you will not be able to function, or you will not be able to live a fulfilled life. So be thankful, and that will automatically increase the happiness, the joy, and the satisfaction in your life. Improved relationships. Another benefit of gratitude is having better relationships. So in any relationship, we all have a habit. This is a human tendency, this is human nature, where we like to criticize or look at what bad the other person is doing to us or what they have done to us. But do we ever look at what good that person has done for us, or what good have they done in the past, or what good are they doing now? No, right? So we need to pay attention to what good somebody has done for us and show gratitude, express gratitude towards that person for being sweet to us, being nice to us, being kind to us. When we do that, we immediately let go and release the resentment that we hold in our heart for that person. If we have complaints against somebody, just remember something good that that person may have done for you at some point of time, or just remember a moment when that person may have been supportive towards you, or may have said something which may be a nice thing that he or she could have said for you. So just remember that, and you will immediately release and you will let go what is not serving you, right? So Improved relationships is also a byproduct, a benefit which comes with showing gratitude, right? Because everybody likes to be around people who are thankful, everybody likes to be around people who are happy, everybody likes to be around people who are kind with their words, right? And there's nothing to lose. If you're kind with your words, there's nothing to lose. Enhance self-esteem. So when you vibrate on a positive frequency, when you vibrate on a higher frequency, you automatically raise your self-esteem. It gives an automatic boost to your self-esteem, to your you come in the energy of your higher self, right? When you are thankful, when you express love, when you express gratitude, when you express a balanced emotional state, everyone likes to be around a person like that. So enhanced self-esteem is a very, very important benefit which comes with gratitude. Better sleep. How many people face a disturbed sleep pattern after they have fought with somebody, after they have fought with their partner, or they have fought with their friend, or with their sibling, or with their parents, or with their colleagues, or their boss? How many people? Almost everyone. So better sleep is something which you get, and sleep is so important. It is so important for our skin, it is so important for our well-being, it is very, very important for our overall health, right? Because if we don't sleep well, we cannot function well the next day. So better sleep is also one of the benefits of gratitude. Improved physical health. So automatically, if you're happy, if you're in a higher vibrational state, you automatically cure yourself of any diseases, or you automatically release any kind of negative emotions or any blockages that you are holding, right, in your body. Because whatever suppressed emotions, whatever blockages we have, whether it is in our mind, whether it is on our chakras, in our body, that would manifest as diseases or disorders, right? That would create health issues, that would create health problems. So improved physical health is very, very important. It's a very important aspect of our life, and that comes with gratitude. So you can understand the importance of gratitude, right? Increased resilience. So when we practice gratitude, we automatically develop the strength, the resilience, the power to accomplish or to enhance our strengths, to enhance what we already have in us. So resilience is a very, very important part. Strength is a very, very important part which comes because of gratitude. It is a very, very important benefit. So thankfulness has loads and loads of positive outcomes when you practice it. So hence it is very, very important that you express and show thankfulness. The next one is reduced anxiety and depression. Anxiety and depression is a very, very common issue, is a very, very common problem which most people face, whether they are self-employed, whether they are doing a job, whether they are doing anything in life. It could be a family setting, it could be a work setting, it could be any situation. So anxiety and depression are very, very common issues, mental health issues that most people face in their daily life. So when you practice mindfulness, when you practice gratitude, you automatically will be able to curb and control your anxiety and depression issues. Yes, it is a work in progress and it takes time, and it does not happen instantly. It does take time. You take time to heal yourself, you take time to work on yourself, but gradually you will see the result. Increased optimism and enthusiasm. So when you express gratitude, you also become very optimistic, because you raise your vibrations, you become positive, and because you have a positive mindset, you will automatically be optimistic about your work life, about your personal life. You will be enthusiastic and you will be open to new ideas. You will attract the right kind of people in your life. You will have a positive outlook towards life in general. Enhanced empathy and compassion. So empathy, understanding and being able to feel other people's emotions, being able to relate to other people, being able to relate to what other people are going through, and having a compassion, having an attitude of compassion, having an attitude of support and kindness and forgiveness towards others will support you in your own journey, will support you in your own healing journey. Greater generosity is the next one. So you automatically and you naturally become very, very generous towards people. You naturally become very good at letting go of people who no longer serve you, releasing people who are not worth being around, or releasing people who should not be a part of your life. You become a magnet. You become a powerful magnet, because what frequency you let out into the universe is what you attract, is what comes back to you. So you become a magnet and you generate positive vibes, and you become generous towards people, towards what you are giving to society. You become a master manifester. You become very good at helping people, because if you are able to heal yourself, you will have the power to heal somebody else as well, or to help them in their journey as well. So I hope you like these few benefits which I have mentioned here about gratitude. We can talk about more benefits about thankfulness and mindfulness in the upcoming video. Thank you so much for watching.